Hello? It feels so lonely in this house. Hello? Bye. Love you.
Oh gosh.
Y'all hear anybody? My daughter is at work. Oh, Lexi's at work. I don't like this. What? You raise your kid hoping that you're raising them to know how to take care of themselves, grow up with love and support and confidence, and then they go to work? Oh no. Oh, honey. Good morning, y'all. I don't think y'all saw me on camera yet, but we are downtown at the Nigerian Cultural Parade. It's real small. It's not a lot of people, but they do have some shops and a festival across the street, so we might stop by and check that out. It's during the summertime. During the summertime. Huh? Y'all, look at this artwork back here. It's really nice. We ended up going to Post Houston downtown as well. They were having a coffee and cars car show. They hold it at Post on the first Saturday of the month, I believe. So we decided to stop in, see what kind of cars they have. My daughter loves exotic cars, so I thought it would be cool for us to do. So it was just a fun-filled Saturday. The weather was nice. And yeah, we outside today. I hope y'all enjoy the rest of the video. Y'all can just enjoy these cars. What time is it? About to be 6:56. We are headed back to the house. They don't have no double stuffed Oreos. Nobody's eating regular Oreos. Do y'all like regular or double stuffed?
Huh?
Which ones you end up getting? Let me see. Jack-o'-lantern. What else? Alright, so we just left from Walmart. getting nacho ingredients. Cause somebody wanted some nachos. Wonder who that is. What's up, y'all? So I am back home now. I actually just came outside to sit on my patio, having a whole little concert outside. I'll talk to y'all later. I am getting my car washed. I'm watching the Equalizers at the beginning. Ooh. Y'all, I never really take time out to sit down and really watch movies. I'll watch a TV show every now and then, something like The Chi or Power or something like that. So, what's up? So, it is Sunday and currently in my living room right now. I had the patio door open because I was enjoying the cool weather. Y'all, that little rain that we got last week, it gave us a little cool front. I ain't even much gonna lie. I have had a blast this weekend just going around the city, seeing the different things that they had to offer. You know, Houston is a very diverse city. I think I showed you guys we went to a coffee and cars car show that they held at Post Houston. We also attended a Nigerian Cultural Parade. They also had a festival, but we left. We walked through, but my camera had died by then. And then also the Astros played, as well as the Texans are playing, I think, Atlanta today. So that should be pretty fun. Let me get back to editing, y'all. Clothes, like I said, and I was sitting down just enjoying the crisp fall air that has come upon us here in the H. We have reached the end of the video. Sorry I didn't end it properly. I am not feeling well, but thank y'all for tuning in, coming back around to mingle with me, the one and only Brown. Hopefully next time y'all hear from me, I am much better. Y'all take care and have a great week.